औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान और नहायत रहम करने वाला। What is fuse? An electrical device that opens a circuit when current flowing through it exceeds the rating of the fuse. What is circuit breaker? Circuit breaker is a device that trips the circuit in case of overcurrent. There are two types of circuit breaker. First one is thermal type circuit breaker. In this type, there is a bimetallic which bend due to heat and open the circuit. The second type is magnetic circuit breaker. In this type, the current is sensed by the coil which make electromagnet. GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter. This device is used to open the circuit in such a way that current does not return back from the prescribed path. Two important things we should keep in our mind about GFCI. In case 5 milliamperes current is passing through the black wire which is not grounded, then the white wire which is grounded is known as normal. The second important thing, if the difference of current passing through two wires is 5 milliamperes or more, then GFCI will open the circuit. There are two classes of GFCI. Class A for 6 milliampere and the class B is 20 milliampere. Class B is generally used for swimming pools. There are 5 types of GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter. First one is circuit breaker type. It is an advanced form of circuit breaker. It has the feature of circuit breaker plus GFCI. Features are also included in this type. The second one is permanently mounted type. This type always in an enclosure. This type generally used for big industry. The third one is receptacle type. In this type, one device but one or more receptacle outlets. It is famous for its low cost. The fourth one is portable type. This type has portability feature. In the last one or the fifth one called connected type, this type is joined with plug. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz. औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। शुरू अल्लाह के नाम से जो नहायत मेहरबान और रहम करने वाला है। Overhead power lines. Power lines passing over our head are called usually transmission lines or power distribution lines. Usually overhead power lines are 1 kVA or more. Power transmission lines height depends on the voltage passing through, means more current passing through the power lines, more will be the height. If the transmission capacity of overhead power lines is 11 kV to 33 kV, the height is minimum 5.2 meter to 5.8 meter. If the transmission capacity is 132 kV, then the height will be 6.7 meter. If the transmission capacity is 275 kV, then the height will be 7 meter minimum. If the transmission capacity is 400 kVA, then the minimum height is 7.3 meter. This is a diagram which shows you how to save from overhead power lines. Use red and white flags whenever there is a requirement to work near overhead power lines. Keep 10-meter horizontal distance whenever there is a requirement to work near overhead power transmission lines. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.